Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make a collage on your Instagram story. Let's get started. Firstly, open up your Instagram app and go to your Instagram camera by swiping your screen to the right. Now click the layout button at the left side of your screen, and that will allow you to make collage via Instagram itself. So you can change the grid style as well. So just choose any of the options given according to your liking. And as for me, I'm gonna choose this one. Now you can add photos to each section by either taking pictures or uploading from your camera roll. So let's try it. For the first one, I'm gonna take a photo of what's in front of me. And then for the second picture, I'm gonna choose something from my camera roll. So this one. And then another one from my camera roll, I guess. And then you can also apply filters for each picture. So you can choose different filters for different pictures. So again, let me just take what's in front of me. And then once you're satisfied, click the check mark button at the bottom of your screen. And then edit your story accordingly. You can add text, stickers, music, filters again for the entire collage. And then, once you're satisfied, you may now share it to your friends. And that's how you can easily make a collage on your Instagram story. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!